So hey guys, welcome back to the channel and I'm bringing you the video of brand new mobile phone OnePlus 8T. So we got the OnePlus 8T in our hand and this is a hands-on video. I'm going to cover a little bit of specs that are on the phone. So I've unboxed the phone earlier. So here we go with the phone. So we got the phone. We have this slider button on the right as it is OnePlus, and we got this speaker, a USB Type-C port, and a primary microphone on the bottom grill of the phone. On the left, we have volume rockers as always. This is as normal as it is. We got the secondary mic up of the phone, and we got cameras on the back as 48 megapixel plus OIS on the back, 16 megapixel ultra wide, monochrome sensor 2 megapixel, and 5 megapixel macro sensor with dual LED flash. We got the OnePlus branding on the back, and the phone looks really clean and decent. We got stereo speakers, one on the earpiece and on the bottom. And let's try the fingerprint sensor. Oh, it's so satisfying. Seriously, it's satisfying. So see, oh my god, it feels so smooth. 120 hertz refresh rate with 240 hertz sampling. And we got this OnePlus UI. I'm fan of this. Seriously, it's so clean, really, and good. The UI got some Samsung like big fonts. We got the Snapdragon 865, 128 GB variant I got, and all other basic stuff over here. And we got Android 11 updated in box. So just for fun. And what we have here. Okay. Let's go back and we got, yeah, where's, oh, we got, it feels smooth. Seriously, it is a smooth way. The battery, nothing special here. And well, let's go back. Let's go back on the display setting. See, we have adaptive brightness and the main feature, ambient display, this side that we got on the OnePlus UI 11. We got other stuff here. The display feels really good. It is good. One of the best good live. And what we got here? Let's find the dark mode. It must be on the right. Uh, yeah, here we go. Dark mode, my favorite. Black color. Darker look more darker on the OLED panels. So black looks really good. My god, it's looking decent. Seriously. So I think we should check the speakers now. Let's open the YouTube. We should open YouTube. Yeah. So why why your YouTube? Yeah, you will the YouTube app. So I'll summarize the same song that Leo's play on his videos on Unbox Therapy. I'm mentioning no copyrights, please. Okay, so we should go.
Be executed by decapitation and their heads put on display. Are you ready to apologize? My head held high.
चलो सही गाऊंगा कर दूंगा. So let's bump into the camera app. We got over here, and we got various options in the camera app. Seriously, OnePlus is good with the camera app. I like that app. It's more like Pixel and nothing like Pixel. So in the setting we got Ultra HDR and various modes that we got on the previous OnePlus devices, but it is updated a bit. We got here cinematic mode 4K 1080 at 60 and 30. And we got other modes here for the video option. We got photo, portrait, slow motion, panorama, and some pro features also over here. So this is just a screen recording video over here. I will show you a live recording later. This is just to demonstrate a little bit of the camera features that are on the phone. And what we got here more? Let me show you the other camera sensor option. Okay, we are going to try with the macro lens first. And oh my god, it's clear. They tell that 3 to 4 centimeters will be the ideal range to focus. So macro lens feels really good. And I think I should try the monochrome sensor next. See, yeah, it got a great focus. So we got the monochrome sensor. Actually, what it do, it's really good at the black and white. So now it's done for the video portrait mode. It is first on OnePlus device, and this is 4K 60 cinematic with OIS enabled and HDR enabled in video, and the video looks really decent. Seriously, it looks good. It has 2x digital zoom with this main 41 megapixel camera, the primary man. And this is another one, the 65-watt massive brick. That one was ultra wide picture. This is a macro photo, and we got another monochrome sensor. So phone feels really good. And special thanks to my uncle. This video is possible because of him. Seriously, it is his phone, and if I haven't met him yet, then this video is not visible. Seriously, he allowed me to shoot the video, so special thanks to him. And stay safe, stay home. I'm really excited. I saw the phone, it is as good as it can be. So thank you.